Divorce lawyers of Reddit. What's the most outrageous reason someone filed for divorce? He wanted to divorce his wife because she didn't try to learn Spanish. Before they got married, the wife claimed that to him he doesn't expect her to learn his language, and he was okay with it, but slowly get irritated when he takes her to parties or events. One time, they flew to Mexico back to his home country, and his non-speaking Spanish wife became a hassle because she cannot understand his family when they visited, and that he was embarrassed. He had a realization that she is not the one for him. The poor wife said his family welcomed him, and argued that he is ungrateful after giving him the temporary green card. This opened a Pandora box and a different case. I have advised him that he will lose this case and he shouldn't move forward. He was eager to get divorced and we proceeded. Few weeks after the divorce, the judge issued for deportation because he illegally came and stayed in the US, and the judge claimed that they have sufficient evidence that the marriage was fraud and my client had the wrong intentions. Subscribe.